Manen jakom duol makedo kod mibadhi e pachoka EACC P.L.O Limumba koni en ting mar Jokenya duto nywako ne lwenj kedo kod mibadhi. Limumba olose kinde romo mar jolony mano bagi kod kanisa mar SDA e boma mar Eldoret. Limumba wacho ni Jokenya ema donjore kod mibadhi miyo tieko mibadhi bedo matek. Kata kamano jatelo no chiwo agete ne ng'ato ka ng'ato mondo mi ochiwre ne kedo kod mibadhi e thurka. Matimore karomono geto bero thuolo makare ne rowere mawachore ni pek mar ngima sani onyoro.
Is one that involves all of us, the giver and the taker. So what we must do as a country is to believe in doing the right thing. The evidence that is available by the bodies that are charged with the task of leading the fight against corruption. Remember that the bodies are not the only ones fighting corruption. They are leading the fight against corruption, and we all must be warriors in that battle. And they are telling us that things are getting worse rather than better. In other words, they are telling us this is the time to roll up our sleeves and to fight against this evil before it consumes us.
Yeah, this is part of what we are trying to address is because of this issue now. That's why we have this professional, so that we can talk to those who are also spearheading this problem, is the professionals. That's why we are addressing as a church, and we are seriously addressing this issue so that we can make sure that we kill this problem.
Say what it is and how you can help us, not laying blame. All of us are responsible, and this corruption bites all of us. Nobody benefits. I mean, when it happens, you're not safe because you're a journalist. It hurts you as well, because part of the wastage we go through, that we're seeing through professional, because again, we're addressing professional because they're the ones who are heading in terms of institutions where corruption could be. If they lived a godly life, I can assure you that's a good way to help it. And it is you also as professionals, in your small way, like Mother said, a little drop from a pigeon mouth will put over a bonfire that's burning the